Brum, brum, brum.
My heart be straight from overseas. She look like she
Stay London.
I ain't got it top by the knees.
Yes, yes. Usimamane.
Just a Zulu man.
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Let's get into this thing. Let's change our life. Usimamane just dropped. Usimamane just dropped some fire album, as I hear. Not an album, but an EP. This is the EP. It's called, what is it called? It's called G-Wagon Music. Baby Thai. So let's get to this thing. Let's see what Usimamane did. This is the first song here.
I'm glad.
Called Tai Lung's Pain.
I was beginning to think I'd been forgotten. Fly back there and tell them I have come home.
Is it the voice now? Ooh, fire beat. This is a wind beat. Usimamane's pieces have always been fire.
I was in a pit, needing to get my man so I can take care of easy time.
This is good engineering here. Whoever engineered this song is fire. Usimamane's vocals are always on top.
Dolly, please watch all my friends. Lord gave me a chance to take care of my fan. Vision getting blurry, had to wipe up my lens. Oh, wishing that they told me that the game is hard. I was gonna be happy doing this. No, I'm scarred. How many times did I try to take my life? How many times I gotta watch my mama cry? How many times? How many times? How many times?
What next for Usimamane? You know, I was just listening to this verse and all I could think about is what next for Usimamane.
I wonder whose voice is this. Usimamane is always dope with these kinds of songs. Remember Uvalo? He murdered Uvalo. I wonder, I think this is a podcast thing because this guy is always getting attacked. I don't know why no one is giving him a break, but everyone is like taking a shot at Usimamane at this point.
Album, another check, another, I don't know.
John Magamile, you have to, you can even guess what this guy is a rapper or not.
Really?
But it doesn't tell you if this guy is a rapper.
Really?
It doesn't come off as a, you know,
This is not Nota's voice. I can hear it.
like
No, man.
gangster.
Maybe you've had. Hold on now. Hold on.
I'm talking him as talent. Is he a superstar? Yeah,
Yo, bro, the penning they did. I haven't made beat in a while, but I'm listening to the penning, bro. It's traveling through from my left to the right ear.
He's trying.
This is my first time agreeing with Tahi on what he's saying about
I think this is Swisher, the one that is saying he's agreeing with Tahi. I saw him reacting to this song, saying the EP is pop. Usimamane hit with this EP. I trust this boy, bro.
Usimamane.
The doubts about him creeps in when we speak.
And when I saw the announcement for this EP, there was a song called Swisher. There was a song called, I don't know, Sol Pendoga. I'm surprised. Maybe there's a deluxe version or something.
But to me, his sound is a problem. He sounds the same. There's no elevation.
4 years later from here, we're gonna be like asking ourselves, Usimamane, what happened?
I don't think that's true. There's this song, I think it's on this EP as well. I listened to him reviewing it on his, I thought it was going to be on his next album. He reviewed it on TikTok Live.
Actually, I'm a big fan of Usimamane. Actually was. But this industry thing, dog. Your album went platinum. You got Rick Ross on your tape. And honestly, the only banger you had was Check. At this point, I'm really starting
No, that's a lie, bro. Usimamane had bangers. Check, Uvalo, Upambene, Bank. What else did he have? There are a lot. There are a lot of Usimamane bangers, bro. Upete is one of those songs. What's the other one? Why am I forgetting the names? I mean, I always listen to this album. That remix with the original and the remix with Rick Ross was a bang. Usimamane has been releasing banger ever since, even before blowing up.
I think bro is an industry plan, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. I honestly feel like bro is an industry plan at this point. See, I fear for your career, man.
Life for living, swear to God it's fast, I had to slow down. Suicidal kid, I'm always smiling when I pop out. Knew I was gonna be big first day I started, it was no doubt. Niggas saying that I'm not a superstar. Never wanted to be a superstar, for they talk about. Every show with my name on it, swear to God it's sold out. Niggas tryna snatch my bread and send me back to the corner. I just wanna live my life in peace, oh mama. All these niggas tryna get rid of me, mama. I just wanna come back home, oh mama.
10 out of 10. This song is 10 out of 10, bro. Let's go see the other one. What's the next party? The next one is Nix. Why is my internet like this now? Because I can see even my live video is suffering. Oh, connect to the internet. What happened to my internet? We'll come back now. Let me go check.
That's right. It is I, Tylon. Jabi. I have returned to take what is mine, which is everything that is yours.
Let the Lord drive. Backseat, I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. I ain't begging now, we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Let the Lord drive me, I'm at the backseat. I be chillin', hella
This is song number 2, track number 2. Let's see, what does Usimamane have here? Let's see the comments. Okay. Comments are not appearing. This one is called Nix.
That's right. It is I, Tylon. Jabi.
I think Tylon is that guy from Kung Fu Panda. Yeah, I think that's it. Bro, when I'm busy with hip hop, I like having red color. When I make beats, it's red. Everything.
I have returned to take what is mine, which is.
I feel like there's a drop coming here.
Everything that is yours.
Let the Lord
Listen to the kid.
Backseat, I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. I ain't begging now, we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams.
Why do they hate this guy, bro? Usimamane is fire. Damn it. Listen to this drop, bro. The flow and everything.
Backseat.
Everything that is yours.
Let the Lord drive. Backseat, I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. I ain't begging now, we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Let the Lord drive me, I'm at the backseat. I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging now, we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Never had shit, bangin' our nicks. Empty stomach in the hood, bangin' our nicks. I was sleeping on the floor, bangin' our nicks.
The problem with his songs that they are all almost like 2 minutes. His songs are short. He likes making short songs, just like A-Reece.
Now they send me dress and get bang in the Knicks. Never had shit. Banging on Knicks. Empty stomach in the hood, banging on Knicks. I'm sleeping on the floor, banging on Knicks. Now they send me dress and get bang in the Knicks. Get back, take it back. At 17. They piggies out when I told them that I'm him. All them niggas, baby, and boogie so slim. See, that's the reason why I'm king on the power sleep. Used to be mad, bro, 100 on pig. Now I'm flying on me, grouping on me knee. Niggas made it, man, just bang it, shiny bit. Then get you people got the cash, shit is real. Made it from the south, made it from the mud, made it from the dust, made it from the slums.
10 out of 10.
I'm him, now we yours.
10 out of 10. The song is fire.
Made it from the south, made it from the mud, made it from the dust, made it from the slums. Got that from him last, it was him, now we yours. Never had none, might just give my dust. Let the Lord drive. Back sheet, I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging now, we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God they switching teams. Let the Lord drive me, I'm at the back seat. I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging now, we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God they switching teams. Never had shit, banging on niggas.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 so far. Let's go to Rex. Once you say a song's named the Rex by Usimamane, you know it's fire. What are people saying in the comments, bro? Damn, I'm thinking like a crazy person as I'm listening. The hardest track on the album. The flow in this one, I not makes music video, please. Yeah, we need music videos, bro. Let's see Rex. How does it sound like? DCP came out 2 days ago. Ooh.
Usimamane, please play the song. Please, for my sake.
Usimamane.
I'm ready.
I'm predicting a drop here.
Humble as a bitch, I was locked in, locked down doors on me, had a barge in. Gotta thank God for this fresh shit. If I ain't make it, I'd probably be a YN. I was at the crib with a dark skin, coochie wet like a pool, I had to dive in. Can't listen to no bullshit, got 5 carats in my ears, yeah, VVA dime in. I get it poppin', get it crack.
Usimamane Kama, bro. Usimamane Kama. This guy is a master, bro. Tai Lung. This guy is good. His music is good. I don't know why there are even some people hating him. I don't even think these guys hate Usimamane. They just trying to get views. When you hate someone, you need to hate someone without trying to get money from it, bro. You are getting paid to hate someone. It's a job to you. It's a job to you. You are going on a podcast saying he is overrated. This guy is underrated. All we need now is new music. I think it's because of the hate and stuff. That's why he's not dropping. But imagine if he dropped this. Hits like consistently. Usimamane all the way.
I got a family, still pipe in the game, I'm cracking. That's why them niggas probably acting like they pregnant. I fuck the game again, I'm money. Real me, bro, just damn me.
10 out of 10. The producers here, they did their job.
Y'all never go scare me, I'm at the crib all alone. I pray for the sanity, pray for the soul. I pray for the pockets, I hate being broke. I pray for her mama and she got a kindest heart. Know that she pray for your hoes. I pray for the famine, I pray for the bros. Don't give a fuck if nobody praying for me. I know mama is praying for me when I'm out on the road. Quit that talk, go get it. If you funny Mali, go get it. I go get it. Nigga funny Mali, just get it. Quit that talk, go get it.
This guy is chopping, bro.
Funny Mali, go get it.
This guy is chopping.
Go get it. My niggas just go get it. Mali. Mali.
10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10. I won't even listen to the songs all to the end. This is a 4-minute song. I just need enough. You already, when someone is good, you don't even have to listen to the whole song. The moment the beat drop, you just know someone is good. The first melodies, you know someone is good, bro. Someone is good. Someone is good. Mlazi should have a statue of this guy already. Tan Tan. I suspect this is the song I thought was going to an album called Tan Tan. This has to be my favorite because I saw the snippet, bro. Not a snippet. Yeah, I had the snippet on his live video. Let's hear Tan Tan. What are the comments say? What did the comments say about Rex? Who's happy for 1 million views? I'm happy for 1 million views, bro. The song the whole country was waiting for. Who produced this song? Babala Morobane. Shout out. I'm never claiming the game. For sake, you all can have it. Haha. Wait. Let's see, what else did I say? I think this is my favorite song on the album. Someone walked on this beat effortlessly. Damn. Let's hear now. Let's hear done. Yeah! This is the song. Remember, I had this electric guitar and I went mad on it on his IG, on his TikTok live. This electric guitar, fun. Who produced this song? Producer Mark Lawrence Ramos. Ooh. Let's listen. The bass line. Where's the drop?
Back in the trench, nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done.
Usimamane. I don't care what you all say, bro. You can keep your opinion, you can say whatever you say. But Usimamane is the thing, bro. Yes, listen to this, bro.
Down. Reminiscing back in the trench, nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stay in London.
Yes, Usimamane Kama. Usimamane is the name. Bro, I wish to see more songs, more music from this guy.
Reminiscing back in the trench, nigga, I was down.
Listen to the kids at the back.
Shit up again. They thought I was done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stay in London. Ayy, always gonna say I'm 101. Go by Vela, get go find a name. Ayy, you should see they face when I'm around. Niggas love it every time I'm out of town. Pa, gati wongu kenyanga. Ma beng bona bati buana bambi tab. My baby, she like boasting about me. Meng bonu tinali sogalam shit. Really feels good to be me. Made it out of trap, now I'm free shit. I stay put in work, OT. Mama praying I don't OD shit.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. He was gliding on this beat, bro. was gliding on this beat. Usimamane killed this beat.
She know that I'm really with the shit. She know that I'm really, really him. She know that I really mean business. She know that I'm
He's
G
him
from a
for real.
G. I ain't
We
gotta
know
talk
you
about a
him.
bitch. Anyways, back to the streets. Made it out of trench, Montito. I was down back from the season. Gotta represent all my people.
Listen to the wordplay. Listen to the wordplay.
I ain't gotta she know that I really mean business. She know that I'm G from a jeans. I ain't gotta talk about a bitch. Anyways, back to the streets. Made it out of trench, Montito. I was down back from the season. Gotta represent all my people. Always gonna have my Kazio. I was in the trench for the lunchtime. Young nigga praying up for freedom. Reminiscing back in the trench. Nigga, I was down, down, down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done, done, done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown, brown, brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stayed London. Reminiscing back in the trench. Nigga, I was down, down, down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done, done, done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown, brown, brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stayed London. Reminiscing back in the trench. Nigga, I was down, down, down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done, done, done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown, brown, brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stayed London. I ain't gotta talk about it.
Yes, yes. Usimamane hitting those notes, bro. 10 out of 10. 1000 out of 10, bro. This EP is the thing. Shit. Mark Lawrence. What are the comments saying? They thought he was done, done, done. Yeah, he's not, bro. See, people are giving him advices. They are happy for the guy, bro. I don't know, bro. If the hate is what's keeping him down, he should come and see how many people love him, bro. If the hate is the reason he's not dropping his music, bro, he doesn't know how much people like him. Usimamane has fans, bro, and has haters as well. But he must not focus on those haters, bro. He has fans. Look at this, bro. These songs are fire. I think people are just hating on Usimamane for fun at this point. At this point, hating on Usimamane pays. Hating on Usimamane pays the bill at this point. Because what do you mean? You he is whack, he's overrated and stuff when he's releasing such bangers every time he releases. Stay strong, bro. Haters will never stop hating you. Bro, just keep dropping hit. Tina is a fan, will support you no matter what. Usimamane come. The beat though and the hook, sheesh. Come on, let's get to the song called Like That. Let's hear what he has here. I already know. Ooh. This is Zuchi. I remember this song. This is Zuchi. Zuchi produced this song, I think. Oh, I'm lying. Producer. Who is Laurent? You find out this is Zuchi. Zuchi's real name. Oh, it's not him. And meaning he got the beat from Ramon. But Zuchi engineered this. I remember they were in studio talking about this. This could be him. Bro, I'll see him just now. Yo! Where's the song? Where is the song? Yo, like that, Usimamane smacking here, bro. I remember I watched this. He was recording this with Zuchi Cockdope. Listen to the beat. Ooh! Listen to his flow, bro. The guy's running, he's gliding. He's Mike Tyson here. He's sleeping.
Made it out there, son. Niggas tough like that. Fuck trying to give me dabs. You don't know me like that. Hurt niggas trying to hang. Y'all ain't homies like that. Spend a bag on a game. Brody got it like that. Made it out there, son. Niggas tough like that.
Yo. Nostalgic, bro. Nostalgic music, bro. Yes, sis. This guy's chopping on a beat. Let's start afresh, bro. Let's start afresh. Well, if you hate Usimamane, we just know you are getting paid. There's no way you can hate something that is good. There's no way you can hate something that is good. Listen to this.
Let's go. Made it out there, son. Niggas tough like that. Fuck trying to give me dabs.
The guitar, bro. Lawrence know how to play with the guitar, bro. The other song was also produced by Lawrence. And he played with the electric guitar.
Like that. Hurt niggas trying to hang. Y'all ain't homies like that. Spend a bag on a game. Brody got it like that. Made it out of dance out. Niggas tough like that. Fuck trying to give me dabs. You don't know me like that. Hurt niggas trying to hang. Y'all ain't homies like that. Spend a bag on a game. Brody got it like that.
Listen to the electric guitar at the back.
Like me, but boys in. Tryna replace the boy I see, but ngegulunga boys in. Always gonna make a plan, plan. I'm a shino tuxin. Geese slimy bite tea, a snake bite tea. Me no petrol poison. I'm the type to get a bag. You the type to call the feds. I'm the type to feed the fad. When are you the type to bang stuff? I'm the type with the rags. You the type with the rags. I'm the type to turn a grown nigga bitch, maybe call me dad. Soon as I hop on the beat and I fucking shit up and I leave him molested. For deal ain't coming with million figs, my nigga, I'm not interested.
Yes.
I had no choice but to run it up 2015 when my bro got arrested. Punish on my nigga, I make an example, I'm hoping nigga to miss it. Got lit, age 21, got work, gotta get it done. I was in the trenches, I was down bad, waiting for my turn. Got lit, age 21, still lit, that's why I let it burn. And I'm still a Southside young trench nigga, my bitch for the birds. From the made it out there, son. Niggas tough like that. Fuck tryna give me dabs. You don't know me like that. Hurt niggas tryna hang. Y'all ain't homies like that. Spend a bag on a game. Brody got it like that. Made it out of dance out. Niggas tough like that. Fuck tryna give me dabs. You don't know me like that. Hurt niggas tryna hang. Y'all ain't homies like that. Spend a bag on a game. Brody got it like that. Hey, anything for his fun. I swallow my pride. Made it out from the city of crime. Heartbroken so many times. I do this shit for the fam. Leaving nobody behind. They trying hard to bring me down. Shit, Sako Nana Match. Niggas never been goat.
Going nowhere, bro. Yes, this song is fire. This song and Tan. Like that and Tan. Fans, my money went hard on these songs. Both the songs. Shit. Wait. Let me see if my stream is still going. Let's go.
Niggas not my bros. Niggas got no. Wait. Never sold my soul. Big stabbing on every day, man. I be kicking down doors. I ain't taking no shorts. Got spend time people at home. Made it out there, son. Niggas tough like that.
The drops.
Fuck trying to give me dabs. You don't know me like that. Hurt niggas trying to hang. Y'all ain't homies like that. Spend a bag on a game. Brody got it like that. Made it out there, son. Niggas tough like that. Fuck tryna give me dabs. You don't know me like that. Hurt niggas tryna hang. Y'all ain't homies like that.
They can hate him, bro. But the fact that Usimamane's name is still on every podcaster's mouth, it means he's big. He's big. Hating is their profession, bro. And they cannot perfect their profession without dragging this man's name into it. So he's like a course to them. He's like a curriculum. Usimamane is the curriculum in hating, bro. You have to hate Usimamane, you have to learn how to hate Usimamane, and then you become a better podcaster.
Spread it back on the game.
How do you hate on this?
Got it like that.
How do you hate on this? I rarely hear people saying they hate Usimamane face to face. You know, I don't know if someone hates Usimamane if they said to me, I don't like Usimamane. I know that, you know what, they don't like Usimamane, but it's someone who is getting views and getting money by hating him. That will always say it. Next song, 10 out of 10, bro. This is fire. Umusa wako. What are people saying about this one? The beat can be a song on its own. You're right, bro. Damn. The beat is tough. No cap. No cap. This guy might bring back hip hop with this project. Usimamane. Best song on AP, no cap. I thought Zuchi was the producer. Shout out to Mark. I also thought Zuchi Cocked Up was the producer on this, because I saw that snip. The fuck made the beat? I'm answering this one, bro. Lawrence deserves his flowers now. Bro, relax. Bro, relax. But the beat, though. People are telling Usimamane to relax. He's going too hard on this EP. He needs to calm down. He needs to calm down, bro. He's gliding. He's Mike Tyson on this one. Slipping left to right. This song is a cheat code. Like that is a cheat code. Let's see this one. Umusa wako. I know it's fire as well. Name it ngesizulu. Hey.
Man, I made it where I'm from. Made it. They never thought I'd get this far. All the pain is
still going, still going far.
I just put it on the song. I finally made it where I'm from. They never thought I'd be this far. All the pain inside my heart, I just put it in the song. Some of my friends, they be dead, they stuck in the trance, they stuck in jail. Some of them wanna be here, they look out at me tryna make what these is. Nah, but I ain't jail, I went through it all, I been in jail. I could've been dead, oh, I could've been dead. But I got big as hell, and I was saved by almost how I call. Almost how I call. He's
a dope interlude. Interlude type of a song. Usimamane is good with this type of song.
10
out of 10. 10 out of 10, bro. No. If you hate on Usimamane, then it's peer pressure. You cannot hate on something good. It's peer pressure. Pure peer pressure that you are just following. It's one person who hates on Usimamane. The other 5,000 is just following that one person. Usimamane is doing good. Just need to bring more song, more hit. We need more from this guy. You cannot tell me Dan is not dope. You cannot tell me like that is not dope. You cannot tell me Musa Wako is not dope. You cannot tell me Rex is not dope. You cannot tell me any of these songs are not dope to you. You are deaf, bro. You are deaf. Usimamane is going far. If he's an industry plant, then they planted the best seed they could ever plant. Usimamane Kama. Hlangana Zulu. Till next time. Bye-bye.